guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look a bit different, and that's because I have cut my hair yesterday and I also bleached it 2 times. So if you want to see how I bleach my hair, the link is below. I have it down in my blog. I didn't make a video of it because I thought that it's just bleaching, it's not much. So you can check out the review of the Gatsby High Bleach down in my blog below. I'll be putting on the color today using this hair dye, which is the Dixmondsg Long Lasting hair dye. I've picked them up in color Rose Gold and Lavender Ash, like I mentioned. So the packaging, you can tell that it is a new packaging. Oh, if you guys didn't know, I actually reviewed their Dixmondsg bleaching kit before, so you can check that out down in the description. I'll pop it up there as well, so you can go check that out. Their bleach is non-damaging, and I actually quite like the bleach. The packaging, they changed the packaging of the product. So it used to come in this like plastic bag thing, which looks really cheap. I have to be honest, I gave that review as well. The packaging of the bleach was very cheap. Like, it was difficult to get the product out and I didn't like it. But I'm just gonna open this and let you guys see. This is the new packaging, which I think is so much better because it comes in a squeezy tube. The color is written over here, so this is LA, which means lavender ash. So there is the packaging for this one. The back of the product actually tells you how to use it. Okay, here it says the directions has to pour the hair dye into a bowl, stir well and apply. Leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes minimum. Okay, and so you can just put it on for an hour, go watch a drama, and then rinse well with shampoo and conditioner and blow dry with cold air only. So I have my gloves on and we're gonna just pour out the rose gold one first. We're gonna do it separately because I want them to, I just want to make sure that they're all like, the colors are separated and don't mix. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use everything, so I'm just gonna put in a bit first and then we'll see from there. So I'm just gonna put in maybe like this. Is that, no, that's not enough for my whole hair. Okay, let's just put in a bit more. Mama! Brush combing thing. Okay, we mixed it. Oh, it feels so weird. That's why you need to mix it. It looks like blood, like liver. Just gonna pour more in because that's obviously not enough for my whole head. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna empty the bottle out. Hi guys, and welcome back. Now we are together in my washroom and we're gonna dye our hair. You can see me through the mirror. Hi. And we're gonna dye our hair. I'm gonna try to get every spot. Yeah, so I've got some rubber bands here so I can separate out my hair. So I feel so surgical and we're gonna do some stuff. So let's get started. Every part of the back because I cannot tell, but for the front part I know that I've gotten to the length that I want, so I only have around half of the product left. So I'm gonna just go ahead to the other side and then I'll touch up whatever I can afterwards. Now you can see the colors here, and then I've left the part here empty for the lavender ash one. I'm back in my gloves and I've just deposited some of the lavender ash color into the container. So I'm just gonna mix them up and we're gonna start applying. So this is not all the product, but anyway, I'm just gonna start mixing it. The bottom part and I've dyed them purple, so it's not looking very darkish purple anymore. I'm not sure how it looks like, but Okay, I'm gonna just move on to the other side. So I think this method of doing like separating it this way actually works. Maybe I try like to do the back part first then. Yeah, done dyeing my hair. I think that took around 30 minutes. So I have done the top part of it. As you can see, the rose gold, which is looking really pink right now, and then I also have the lavender lavender ash shade. So okay, I'm just gonna go and do my stuff and I'll be back in an hour. Bye. I'm back right now. As you guys can tell, I'm very like about it right now, because you can see that the roots part, which is like the virgin hair, is actually not even like pink or like at all, and it's supposed to be rose gold, so I'm not sure why it's looking quite orangey pink. I wasn't expecting a lot for the lavender, ash lavender, because my ends weren't as whitish bleached as it was recommended to be, so I was just trying my luck out on it, and then I think that it's not okay. Like it just looked kind of like ashy, and it toned away the yellow brassness. That's what I think it did, and kind of you can still tell that it's lavender, and still can tell that it's a gradient to my hair. But it's just that right now I'm kind of like on the fence about it, because I don't really like I washed my hair so many times today. I'm so tired. I washed it and I blow dried. You know how long it took to blow dry this hair, because they said to blow dry it with like cold air, so I did, and it took so long. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go and I'll be back. See you in a bit. Okay guys, right now I am just gonna update you guys on my hair. I have just put some purple stuff on it for it to tone, so hopefully I can get this part toned, and then I have left this part untouched, so we're gonna just tone the top part, and then we're gonna just leave it, and then hopefully there's a gradient from dark to light. So right now I'm choosing which Maggi I want to eat. I'm thinking I want something spicy to, I don't know, lift my mood up. I have some of this, so oh, the water's ready. Let's get cooking. Since we are in the kitchen, I thought like, why not? I'm just going to show you guys to Toto. Oh, yeah. Oh no, it ran away. Hello. You camera shy. Don't act. I know you're not shy. Hi. I'm Toto, the bunny. Hi. Say hi, you're on camera. You look good. Dum, 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 dum. Say hi. Is their eating time? I think they're shy. They're done eating. Where's my noodles? Oh god, oh god, oh god. I need to focus and... Okay, I think it's done. Okay, I haven't even put my shit in yet. So I'm just gonna chill and have my dinner, and we're gonna watch a bit of Miraculous Ladybug. Any of you guys watch that? I love that show. Marinette, girl with normal life. I love this show, guys. You have to watch it if you haven't. Miraculous, superhuman, not to the test when things go wrong.
The one person who cares the least about the students and the most about herself. My job.
All right, I'll give all of you until the end of lunch to decide if you'd like to be a candidate.
So guys, I'm back finally, and you can see that the sky is dark now. The sun has set, and I've eaten my dinner. So to just conclude things up, I think the hair dye was alright. One bottle is definitely not enough. So my hair length, I needed at least a bottle and a half. So I think that for those with longer hair, you probably need a lot more bottles, like 3, 4. $12.90. So I got 2, and there was like 2 for $25. So it's $25. And I think the price wise it's around the same price as La Ricci, except for this is a kind of like a long-term, semi-permanent but longer kind of thing. So for those of you who wanna have your hair color stay on longer without having to always go back to like touch up, you can consider this one. I think it's actually not bad. That's actually the reason why I consider this one. I want something that could stay longer on my hair, and I am very looking forward to see how long this one will last. I will keep you guys updated in the description box down below, or you can always follow me on Instagram where you can just always have my live updates to see how my hair is doing as well. I know that Dixmondsg actually recommends you to bleach a minimum of 4 times before you go on with their ash colors, but 4 times is a lot to me, so I only bleached mine twice. So I'm not expecting the ash to come out really beautifully, but I think the ash kind of still showed up in a way on its own. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to me if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!